Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is updates. I do an updates video every weekend to let you know what's going on in my craft room and my various projects. It is random stuff and it is not a tutorial of any kind, but if you're still interested, stick around. This week I've been working on cards because I made a ton of Christmas cards and already gave those away to other people to write in and give. I didn't actually write in any of them. So now I'm still using up my Smash That Small Paper pad, but then I also pulled out Bow Bunny Altitude. It's a lot of purple and blue and wintry. It's kind of a ski theme. That part's wasted on me, but I think it's a nice one because regardless of what you do or don't celebrate, it's cheerful and it has blue in it. So it was in my winter stuff that I wanted to get going. I don't know if I'm going to smash that small paper pad or just add to its mess, but I think I'm doing pretty well with it. I'm not going to show you all the cards because I already have some chosen to send to certain people, so I don't want to show them all. Then I have Happy Mail going on, and I started to open these. In addition to these cards, I'm working on my December daily. I think it's in the other room, so I'm not going to show it to you. I put a bunch of stuff in it and I need to do the voiceover, and that video will probably come out on Monday. Maybe Mondays will be my weekly December daily, and it's a process video showing you what I'm gluing in and how and why. Not at all a tutorial. It won't be slow enough to learn how to die cut, but if you know the basics of paper crafting, it might give you some inspiration and fun. I have a lot of videos in the pipeline. And so if you watch my videos all the time, you're going to see things that you've already heard about in updates, like my room cleaning series and December daily and the quilts. There's a whole bunch of videos in there. I need to go in and schedule them all because otherwise the days are just going by and they're not rolling out. I'm going to open these cards and tell you some more random things. This one is from Paige, and Paige is Stamp Girl here on YouTube and also on Instagram, but there are no vowels. So it's STMPGRL. You probably know Paige. She is in a lot of collaborations that I do. She makes great stuff. Her videos are really short and to the point, and her work is fabulous. So let's see what she has. Oh, she's a trickster. Okay, so did you see that? The card is set up to protect itself. So like this, and I lost the note in it. Oh, so a really, really sweet note to me. And then the way she mailed the card, it protected her die cuts and bow and stuff. Plus, she's got it set up so you can use it. She's matted the paper, really nice little gold sticker along the bottom. And you probably can't tell, but I think we call this, it's that frosted. That's not the right word, but it has some shimmer paper. That's probably what it is. Love this. Paige has a lot of neat details in her work, and that's why I have so much fun watching. So she has shimmer paper embossed. Then she has greenery die cuts and a really neat ribbon twine thing. And then she also used enamel dots that have glitter in them. Love that. And then the Merry Christmas. And you notice she mats everything. In her projects, she has really neat detail. So if you're not familiar with Stamp Girl, be sure and check her out. This is from Cruisin' with Crystal. I like this. Thankful. She's got her layers of washi, big paw print on the back. I did cut these open, but I didn't peek. I think Crystal made her envelope. There we go. Because it's super thick. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Oh no, big mess, big mess. I should have known. I should have known that Crystal would send me goodies. So Crystal does amazing pocket letters and a lot of stuff, but she's not somebody who I think has really been making a lot of cards and doing tons of cards. This is super cool. Love it. Keep calm and get your pumpkin pie on. At the pumpkin patch, she's got a layered glittery leaf right here, and then some fall colored jewels and glitter paper and ribbon. Really fun. I'm scared to open it now, Crystal. Oh, it's beautiful. On the inside it says, start each day with a grateful heart. Love it. And then she's got some really neat embellishments right here. taped in, and these are so cute. Love these. I save all sorts of things for cards and everything. I love your card, Crystal, and this paper is cute too. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. So because she had this gorgeous foil paper in here, she wrote her message on something else. So if you want to use amazing paper in a card, go for it. Oh, she sent me some cool stamps. I know I've talked about that before. I save all the stamps and envelopes and use them. And you'll see in my December daily stuff like that coming through. Oh my gosh. Pie and fall. Love these pumpkins. They look like they would be glittery and messy, but they're very smooth. So the glitter's underneath. They're pumpkin puffy stickers. Ooh, and then some nice stuff to layer with. Very cute. Thank you so much, Crystal. And then this third one is Kathy. Kathy is Stampin' Cat, and you can find Crystal, oh my apologies, you can find Cruisin' with Crystal on Instagram and on YouTube. And then Kathy is Stampin' Cat, and she's just on Instagram. So Stamp N, the letter N, and then K-A-T for Kathy. Took me a while to figure that out. Oh, look, she has washi tape with acorns on it. That is cute. Oh, love it. That is neat paper. And she edged it. She gave it a border that matches the truck, and it says Happy Thanksgiving. Very cute. Oh, that's so sweet, Kathy. So sweet. And then look, she has a cute little message in there. Pumpkin time, when you see them in the fields glowing orange in the sun, it's time to say goodbye to summer and hello to autumn fun. That is a cute stamp. And I like that she stamped it with, the accent color from the front. Very fun. Thank you so much for the cards, ladies. I love them. Have a great time getting them and seeing everybody's work up close. You can't see everything in a video. You just can't. And so it's really fun to see them in person. And I love to know that I inspire you. That's fabulous. I hope that you are all having fun and enjoying the holidays, not letting them wear you out. Maybe there's a little bit of mingling in your community, but still be careful. If you're not one that's pretty locked down, be careful. I've heard a lot of stories lately, and I know that Kathy had an event that she opted not to go to and got pretty lucky on that one. So just be careful, because that virus is definitely still out there. I am watching movies again and taking Maria's idea of putting them in my December daily. I watched A Bad Mom's Christmas, mostly when I was on the treadmill, which I was very proud of, and it was pretty funny. It wasn't necessarily PC for everyone, more of an adult Christmas movie, but definitely funny. And then I also watched Super Intelligence, and these are both free on Netflix. And Super Intelligence isn't a Christmas movie, but it has Suki in it. Gilmore Girls, you with me, people? Is that Melissa McCarthy? Anyway, I like Suki. I wanted to check out the movie, and it was pretty good. I liked it. Today I will probably, I need to work on my room because it's December daily, blue, and digging around. When I made the video of my December daily, I didn't set up. I was working on these cards in the front room. The counter wasn't totally clean. So in the video, I had to do a lot of editing because I kept leaving and looking for things. Like I went in the other room to get my die cutter and random things. So I have to recover from that, because if I pull stuff out while I'm making the video, I'm trying to hurry really fast and keep it going. Yeah, it was a mess. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and watching movies and being good to yourself, and that you're just having lots of fun. This is a great time of year, regardless of what your beliefs are or what you celebrate, because, maybe your weather's changing, maybe not so much for some people in Florida, Annie. A lot of us can watch it rain or watch the leaves blow around. Noni, I have so many of your leaves. I really wish that you had kept them. It is crazy over here. Okay, everybody take care and watch for my December dailies, my tidying videos, and more quilt pages. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.